Hey guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel here. So guys, the very important update for the updating for Google Search Console option. So what is update for Google Search Console? Previous Google Search Console, google.com/, we have to open for webmasters. The open will be like this, will be simple, but pattern will be completely changed. The pattern will be completely changed. What is a new pattern? What is a new pattern? This will be old pattern here. We can form into this one, google.com/webmaster. This is a old pattern. The new pattern will be here. So in this is a new pattern will be open will be here. Search.google.com/search console option. This is a new URL will be given by the Google webmaster. That will be completely changing for Google Search Console. So any kind of website will be indexing purpose. We have to using for Google Search Console option. In the Search Console, what is our performance and URL inspection for indexing purpose and coverage? We are updating for sitemap. So what are the errors are occur here? Just the error we can remove from here sitemap. So coming to sitemap, when update for 4th December. So now will be sitemap.xml. This website will be promoting main purpose swimming pools in Kondapur. Swimming pools in Kondapur, Gachipoli area. We can go for joining for in this website. They give you the best opportunity from the swimming classes. Now we can refresh. Yes, submitted by the 13th and last read by the 13th December 2020 for today. Next will be any removal link and core web visit, any kind of mobile usability, any errors are will be here. You can check for all will be in this option. And security essential, that is called any kind of spam content will be detected. We can showing for in this option. Security issues, no security issues. Here links, what are the links will be here? That all links will be in this particular option. We can follow instruction and that is all will be showing for the particular backlinks on the particular link option. In this, what is our internet targeting here? Language and the countries. We can go to the specific the countries here and message. What are the message we can receive? They're showing for in this option here. Next thing will be URL parameters. Any parameter will be show. We can show for the parameter option. Next one, web tool. This will be creating for structured data. Everything is a main purpose. There will be desktop and mobile. Everything will be here in this. So in this main one, what are the new content you're posting on the website? That is a copy link where you can submit for URL inspection. In the submit link here, after submit link, the lot of changes is appear from in this. Previous request index is there. Now is a changing for pattern will be text live URL. Text live URL. So in this one, we can go for test the live URL option. You have to wait for certain seconds. So it is taking hardly 1 or 2 minutes time. The URL will be URL is available on Google, availability and mobile usability. This all will be fixed by each and every URL. Second will same will be which one newly content adding for your website. You can compulsory using for URL inspection on the Google Webmaster. This is the main purpose of fast indexing purpose. The main reason for fast indexing purpose. After indexing, you have to main reason for you have to refreshing for your particular URL. So what are the indexing here? You can refreshing for 5 times using for control F5. There's a multi-refresh option. The particular here. How many times we can use for refresh? We can use it for 5 times in the refresh purpose. The refresh that is using for indexing the particular option will be here. So this will be indexing on the particular Google. It will be effect on the indexing will be fast on the particular option. So we have to follow this instruction and the Google webmaster will be here. Don't forget the URL previous using for this one. Now is a using for search.google.com slash search hyphen console. Here, this is a method. So tested by the here. In this, the main thing, URL can be indexed. Second thing is the mobile usability. The page compulsory will be usable by mobile friendly. If is the page will be not mobile friendly, if you are posting the content, users coming to your mobile, they can watch any kind of content. The visibility is more important. So there is a major preference. How to know that the content? So guys, this all will be up to the Distracker channel. So what are the content you are posting? You have to like and comment for subscribe our channel and ask any question about this information. So now I'll go with the mobile option. Mobile completely will be changed will be pattern here in this. Here is the home button. All will be here in the particular option. So what are the services here? All will be using for in a particular option. So this all belongs to for mobile devices. So we can go for it and check with them and every services will be here and what are the customer reviews and click for every option will be here in the particular things. So this all method will be using for the particular posting will be in the particular website. So compulsory looking for mobile here. So this is a particular code here. In this very important, your webmaster will be indexing. There's only for option will be called URL inspection. Is always we have to follow instructions and index each and every URL the particular option. Suppose you can go checking for main URL. After checking main URL, what is showing for in this option here? So URL is on Google. In this coverage is successful, mobile usability also will be successful. These all method we have to follow that in a Google Search Console to index the procedure will be major important point. So follow these instructions and increase your search value on your website and indexing will be fast method using for URL inspection. Each and every page you have to check, just copy the URL, go to the URL inspection and search it. If all are indexed, don't search. If we want change any kind of title description keyword, we can once again resubmit for the particular URL option. So each and URL you have to check into the URL inspection option. This is a major important option that link will be indexed or not. We can easily find out on the using for URL inspection option. So this method compulsory we can follow the Google Search Console to updating the method. One is the URL. Second will be updating for the any new URL for indexing purpose on the Google Search Console or any kind of search engine related from Google partners. The option will be called text live URL. Each and every URL you have to check. The index is more important for the indexing on the particular URL on the Google Search Console purpose. If this index will be done perfectly, the SEO title keyword will be perfectly indexed on the Search Console. When people search any keyword on Google, they're showing your website. For example, indoor swimming pool in Kondapur. So you can check our website. Here is our website. So they will be check the contact us. They easily contact by any information will be here. So this is a method we can follow for index is the first preference any website on using search console option for using for URL inspection option. Follow this instruction, use it and index your web page and keyword will be indexed on the Google search option. Don't forget a URL search.google.com slash search console. Thank you guys. If any further doubt, please ask me in my channel comment box. Or if you want to learn more thing, you can go to comment to my website, Rakesh Tech Solution, and email me. I definitely will be support from any kind of issues on your Google search console. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to the subscribe our channel Digital Rakesh and comment me my channel and like and share our video from your social media. Don't forget to the subscriber channel option. Thank you for watching.